8th October. We're doing 51 key verses. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupaha Kadamayyam Dadati Swapadantikam. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Utapadakamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamscha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Shri Guru just asked whether you've come or not.
No, Neeta is going to Sister Mataji's house.
I'll be going there later. I was just looking for that. I'll have to ask. I'll ask her to get it here. We'll start with our revision till then. Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samaveta mamakaha pandavaschaiva kimma kurvata sanjaya. 2.7 कार्पण्य दोषोपहता स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म समूढचिताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. 2.30 देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं भुवनं जरा यथा देहान्तर प्राप्ते धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति. 2.40 मात्रा सर्षास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण दुःख दुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्यास्तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत. 2.20 न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. 2.40 नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमपि यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. 2.41 व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिर् एकेह कुरु नन्दन बहुशाखायनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम् 2.59 विषया विनिवर्तन्ते निराहारस्य देहिनः रसवर्जं रसोऽप्यस्य परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते 2.62 and 63 together. Start. ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषूपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति नेक्स्ट यज्ञशिष्टाशिनः सन्तो मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषेः भुञ्जते ते त्वघं पापा ये पचन्त्यात्मकारणात् 3.27 प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहङ्कार विमूढात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते 4.2 एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप 4.6 अजोऽपि सन् अव्यय आत्मा भूतानामीश्वरोऽपि सन् प्रकृतिं स्वामधिष्ठाय सम्भवाम्यात्ममायया नेक्स्ट 4.7 यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् 4.8 परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय सम्भवामि युगे युगे 4.9 जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो वेति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म मैति मामेति सो अर्जुन 4.11 ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः 4.34 तद्विधि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया Yuga, more are going to come. You're coming again.
So how do you want to keep?
Yeah, at least 3-4 keep them. Sometimes in after.
Yeah, they should not take extra because the Wi-Fi stop.
ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनी बस बचेगा तो मैं वापस पंडिताः समदर्शिनः 5.22 ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगा दुःखयोनय एव ते आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः 5.29 भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरम् सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति Chapter 5 verse number 6 So chapter 6 verse number 6 बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवत् Chapter 7, verse number 3. Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschid yatati siddhaye yatatam api siddhanam kaschin mameti tatvatah. Chapter 7, verse number 7. Mataha parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya Mai sarvam idam protam sutre maniganaiva. Chapter 7, verse number 14. Deivihesha gunamayi mama maya duratyaya mameva ye prapadyante maya metam taranti te. Chapter 8, verse number 5. Antakale cha mameva smaran muktva kalevaram yah prayati samadbhavam yati nastyatra samshayah. 8.6. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam त्यजत्यन्ते कलेवरं तं तमेवैति कौन्तेय सदा तद्भावभावितः. 8.28. वेदेषु यज्ञेषु तपःषु चैव ज्ञानेषु यत्पुण्यफलं प्रतिष्ठम् अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदं विदित्वा योगी परं स्थानमुपैति चाद्यम्. 9.2. राजविद्या राजगूह्यं पवित्रम् इदमुत्तमम् प्रत्यक्षावगमं धर्म्यं सुसुखं कर्तुमव्ययम्. 9.11. अवजानन्ति मां मूढा मानुषीं तनुमाश्रितम् परं भावम् अजानन्तो मम भूतमहेश्वरम्. 9.13. महात्मानस्तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिमाश्रिताः भजन्त्यनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्. 9.22. अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. 9.26. पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्त्युपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः. 9.27. यत्करोषि यदश्नासि यज्जुहोषि ददासि यत्तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्कुरुष्व मदर्पणम्. 10.8. अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवो मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधा भाव समन्विताः. We do 10.8 again. All of us together along with the translation. Start. Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaah. I'm writing 10.8, 10.9 on the board. Matchita madgata prana. Now how we say 62 and 63 together, we'll be revising 10.8, 9, 10 and 11 together always. Yeah? 10.8 translation can we do? Start. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Next is 10.9. मच्चिता मद्गता प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च. So after establishing himself as the Supreme Personality of Godhead in 10.8, he describes what is the second eternal truth. The first eternal truth is the Supreme Lord Himself. The second eternal truth is the devotee, a jiva. Every jiva, every living entity is supposed to be a devotee. So that he is writing, the thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. So this is a devotee, and what does the devotee do? Devotional service. That's the second and third eternal truth. First is the Supreme Lord. Second is every jiva, every living entity, that's a devotee. And third is the relationship between God and a devotee is that a devotee is always thinking of the Supreme Lord. That's devotional service. Yeah? Please repeat. Matchitaha. Matchitaha. Their minds fully engaged in me. Madgata pranaha. Madgata pranaha. Their lives devoted to me. Bodhayantaha. Bodhayantaha. Preaching. Parasparam. Among themselves. Kathayantaha. Talking. Cha. Also. Mam. About me. Nityam. Kathayantaha. Kathayantaha. When you say it, it comes different then. The actual word is Kathayantaha. When it is said, colloquially it becomes different. And individual words are different. Like do not becomes don't. Something like that. Cha. Also. Mam. About me. Nityam. Perpetually. Tushyanti. Become pleased. Cha. Also. Ramanti. Enjoy transcendental bliss. Cha. Also. Translation starts. The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. First line. Machita madgata prana. Again. Machita madgata prana. You know, sometimes when we say it, a lot of devotees say Machita madgata, but it's Machita madgata prana. Okay, this is this nerve.
There's no H sound at the end of it, is it?
No.
Oh, there isn't.
There
Because
was
the first time
H.
you said it.
It's like yeah, it's something like that.
Yeah, because that's why I wrote it, that in Chitaha there's an H sound, and in Pranaha we particularly use the H sound.
In synonyms it is like that.
Okay.
And when we colloquially speak, it doesn't come that way.
Okay.
Machita madgata prana. Machita madgata prana. Now say it 3 times. Start. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा. Without looking, start. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा. Again. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. 2 lines, 3 times. Start. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. Again. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. Please close your eyes and try to visualize it on the board and start. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. Now look and say thrice. Start. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. Again. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. कथयन्तः Say only that word. Kathayantash. Again. Kathayantash. Again. Kathayantash. Now after me. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Again. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Sing. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Machchita madgata prana. Machchita madgata prana. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. बोधयन्तः परस्परम्. कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम्. कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम्. तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च. तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च. कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम्. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Katha means we hear Krishna Katha, Ramayana Katha. So Katha is talking, conversing about the Lord. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. So talks about the Supreme Personality of Godhead is actually the best for us because it's food for the soul. We feed our eyes, we feast our ears, we feed our bellies. But what about the soul? Food for the soul is Kathayantascha mam nityam. Krishna says, what are the activities even in the spiritual world? Bhakti means doing the activity of the spirit soul, what the spirit soul was actually doing in the spiritual world. So what is happening in the spiritual world? Eternal talks about pastimes of Krishna. Eternal pastimes of Krishna. People talk about it. You know, even if you go to Vrindavan, till date, I think when Krishna was in Vrindavan, every day it was literally a festival. Then Krishna, when they found that Yashoda has a boy, so they immediately the next day is Nandotsav. Nand Maharaj, he had a feast, calling so many Brahmins, calling so many people. And then when Krishna said the first sound, then that day was a festival. Then the day he turned, that day was a festival. The day he, kind of at least crawled, that day was a festival. The day he was all fours, that day was a festival. The day he was Annaprashan, first it has to be a grain. So that day again was a festival. So every day literally was a festival. So this is what happens in the spiritual world. You have one program in your house and there's so much work to do and you're so engrossed. Sometimes there's no time to chant even. Right? So this is what happens in the spiritual world. Every day people are just lost. Tushyant teacher, Raman teacher. They're busy doing only this. They're just relishing the pastimes of Krishna. What do they talk? That, today Krishna did this. Krishna did that. This is how he troubled that gopi. This is how, this is what happened with Madhumangal. This is what happened with that. So it's just Krishna's pastimes which are so sweet. It's transcendental bliss. That's the highest bliss. And that's even available to us because it was just 5,000 years back that Krishna left this Bhuloka. So even today we know so many pastimes of Krishna, the way he stole butter, the way he stole the clothes of the gopis, even those places are still there. So when we go for yatras, we wait in those places. And then exactly at that spot where Krishna did those pastimes, we all sit down and then we have these katha. It goes on for hours, goes for 1 hour, 2 hours. We're just talking about how Krishna taught Kaliya a lesson, that Kaliya Kund is still there and so beautiful. Then we move, then we go to that place where, Krishna, after he taught Kaliya a lesson, he was totally drenched and wet because, he was in water. So then he had to dry himself because then he would catch a cold. So then he went to this Dwadashatil, where Madan Mohan temple is there on top. So there he went to this small hillock, and he got on top of the hill and he just waited. So at that time to dry Krishna, there were 12 suns which appeared. So it is called Dwadash. Dwadash is 12. Even after Ekadashi it is Dwadashi because it's the 12th day of the waxing or the waning moon. So that way there are 12 suns which came on that till. So that place is called Dwadash till. Because to dry Krishna, there were 12 suns which were required. So all that perspiration is collected in a kund. That kund is called Davanal Kund, I think that is called. Because he was so totally wet, all his perspiration is collected in a kund. So even that kund is still there. So it's an entire parikrama. When you go, you have Kaliya, then you have this Dwadash till, then you have this kund, and then you keep moving. The whole day you're immersed in only Krishna Katha. Then you come to Yamuna and there is some place where Krishna was standing and this stone melted, and it has the footprints of Krishna. And then there is a place where he stole the clothes of the gopis. That is called, I forgot the name of that place, Cheer Ghat. So that's where he stole the, and then that is another parikrama by itself. It takes like almost 2 days.
Who will go for these type of yatras?
We go for these yatras.
Every year?
Devotees go for
Hare
yatras.
Ram Hare. In
Yeah.
a group of?
With Maharaj, it's a huge group. I think individually also Anand Gopal Prabhu takes these. So whenever it is, 1st of November they're leaving. That's a very short notice
You are
right now.
going? But you go for these yatras?
He came to Mayapur, no?
I didn't have.
Oh yeah, you fractured your foot. Yeah, they were there.
What
Mayapur
individual
we went.
yatras are you saying?
Like smaller groups of 30-40 people.
That's possible to organize it?
Yeah. This December, in fact, they're going to the birthplace of Hanuman, that's Hampi. So if you want to come, you're most welcome. Prabhu, you going? I'm trying. I have to still butter my husband.
And how long are these yatras usually for? A week?
How long is Hampi? 5 days? 4 days? Something like that.
Where is this place?
Hampi is in South India. Karnataka. Close to
And you
Belgaum.
all only organize the stay?
Yeah,
and
GFS.
everything?
GFS is doing it.
GFS doing, yeah. So there are ISKCON temples all over, right? So in South where they are going to Hampi, is there a ISKCON mandir there where they will put
There
up?
must be a center in Hampi. And I think Anand Gopal Prabhu has his place
His
there.
house there.
His house is there, which is pretty huge. Yeah, his parents are staying there.
So many devotees stay where?
Guest house.
They organize guest houses. I've never been to Hampi, so I don't know.
But in Vrindavan, I've heard about Nidhivan,
Oh yes.
and they say that, I mean, after post 7 o'clock, you really cannot go there.
Yeah, it's not
Because
allowed. Yeah.
It's just not allowed, and that Krishna
Even the
does come
monkeys
there.
run away.
Yeah, that
It's said that the Rasleela is an eternal pastime in that place.
Which place?
Nidhivan in
Nidhivan.
Vrindavan, that you cannot go there, and like everything is arranged, and in the morning when you go, things are ruffled up.
Yeah.
Like the bed is arranged and the water is over, and you know they say, and there have been, I think, a couple of people who've tried to go there. Either they became deaf or they became blind,
Yeah.
but they were not able to talk about
Express,
it
yeah.
and express what they had seen.
Yeah,
In
Nidhivan.
Nidhivan, yeah.
You can tell any
Vrindavan,
rickshaw
yeah.
fellow also to take you there. Any rickshaw
And
fellow.
before 7 you can see it, but I think like after post 7 till the morning you cannot.
Even before 7, the monkeys drive you crazy. It's like, ah.
It is very true, no?
It is. Still, I've been to that place. I remember. Nice place.
Okay, Madam, I wanted to ask you, like, as we are doing these by heart, okay, now I am really way behind. I'm in the 5th chapter.
Okay.
Easily. And it's not so easy for me to learn. My 10, 12 are really fine.
Yeah.
But
After
what
that,
is it? How do I go about it?
I have a recording of this thing of 51 key verses, so maybe you can keep.
From Sushila?
Yeah, you can ask her. You can put it on your phone also.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you keep hearing the recording, because there are some devotees who can't even make it to this class. They're just depending on the recording and learning their shlokas. So that's how at least I learnt with recordings. That's easier. You can take the recording and hear. Last 2 lines. कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम्
कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम्
कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम्
कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम्
तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च
तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च
तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च
तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च
मच्चिता मद्गता प्राणा
मच्चिता मद्गता
प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम्
बोधयन्तः परस्परम्
कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम्
कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम्
तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च
तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च
तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च
तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च
Full shloka? Only the left side. That's Rajan Prabhu and Gunjan will say. Start. मच्चिता मद्गता प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम् कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम् तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च Toral and Priya Mataji. Full shloka. Start. मच्चिता मद्गता प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम् कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम् तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च All together, start. मच्चिता मद्गता प्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परम् कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम् तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च Translation.
The thoughts of my pure devotees
Dwell in me.
Their lives are
Fully devoted to my service, and they derive great satisfaction
and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing
about me. 10.10. Only the first 2 lines. Just going to go through. We have only 5 minutes. Start. Tesham unto them satata yuktanam
सततयुक्तानाम्
always engaged.
always engaged.
Bhajatam,
भजताम्
in rendering devotional service.
In rendering devotional service.
Preeti Purvakam,
प्रीतिपूर्वकम्
in loving ecstasy.
In loving ecstasy.
Tesham satatayuktanam,
तेषाम् सततयुक्तानाम्
Tesham satatayuktanam,
तेषाम् सततयुक्तानाम्
Tesham satatayuktanam,
तेषाम् सततयुक्तानाम्
Bhajatam Preetipurvakam,
भजताम्
Purvakam, Bhajatam Preetipurvakam,
भजताम् प्रीतिपूर्वकम्
Bhajatam Preetipurvakam.
भजताम् प्रीतिपूर्वकम्
First two lines start. Tesham satatayuktanam, Bhajatam Preetipurvakam. Translation: to those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. Please turn to 10.8 and repeat after me. Aham sarvasya prabhavo,
अहम् सर्वस्य प्रभवो
mattaha sarvam pravartate,
मत्तः सर्वम् प्रवर्तते
iti matva bhajante ma,
इति मत्वा भजन्ते माम्
बुधा bhava samanvitaha.
बुधा भाव समन्विताः
Translation: I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. 10.9. Please repeat. Machita madgata prana,
मच्चितामद्गत प्राणा
bodhayantah parasparam,
बोधयन्तः परस्परम्
कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम्,
कथयन्तश्च माम् नित्यम्
तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च.
तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च
Translations together start. The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. 10.10, please repeat after me. Tesham satatayuktanam,
तेषाम् सततयुक्तानाम्
bhajatam preetipurvakam,
भजताम् प्रीतिपूर्वकम्
dadami buddhiyogam tam,
ददामि बुद्धियोगम् तम्
yena mam upayanti te.
येन माम् उपयान्ति ते
Translation together. To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. 10.11, please repeat. Teshamevanukampartham,
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
aham ajnanajam tamaha,
अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः
nashyami atmabhavasto,
नाश्यामि
आत्मभावस्तो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता.
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता
Translation: to show them special mercy, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. So this is 10.11 is like the height of Krishna's mercy, that he will personally drive away the ignorance in our heart and remind us of Him. So can we do 10.8 and 10.9 together? And then we'll try to revise backwards. So we'll start with 10.9 then. 10.9, repeat, start. Machchita madgata prana bodhayantaha parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. 10.8. Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. 9.27. Yat karoshi yadashnasi yad juhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tad kurushva madarpanam. 9.26. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tad aham bhakti upaharitam ashnami prayatatmanaha. Next is 9.22. Ananya chintayanto mam ye janaha pariupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. 9.13. Mahatmanastu mam partha daivim prakritimashritaah bhajantyananya manaso nyatva bhutadimavyayam. 9.11. Avajananti mam mudha manushim tanumashrita param bhavam ajananto mama bhuta maheshwaram. 9.2. Rajvidya rajaguyam pavitram idamuttamam pratyakshaavagamam dharmyam susukham kartumavyayam. 8.28. Start. Vedeshu yagyeshu tapaha suchaiva daneshu yat punyaphalam pradishtam atyeti yat sarvamidam viditva yogi param stanamupaiti chadyam. 8.6. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyante kalevaram tam tam evayanti kaunteya sada tadbhava bhavitaha. 8.5. Antakale cha mameva smaran mukva kalevaram यह प्रयाति समद्भावं याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः. 7.14. दैवीहेषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेवये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते. 7.7. मतः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वं इदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव. Next. 6.6. 7.3 we forgot, sorry. Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschid yatati siddhe yatataamapi siddhanam kaschid mameti tatvatah. 6.6. Bandhuratmatmanastasya yenatmaivatmana jitah अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. 5.29 Start. भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरम् सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति. 5.22 ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगा दुःखयोनय एव ते आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः. सम्पन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि शुनि चैव श्वपाके च पण्डिताः समदर्शिनः. 4.34 तद्विधि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानम् ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. 4.11 ये यथा मां
प्रपद्यन्ते तां तथैव भजाम्यहम्.
मम वर्धमानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. 4.9 जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो वेति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सो अर्जुन. 4.8 परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय